So what I have here is the recipe for my ultimate burger. I'm a massive fan of donuts, so instead of the conventional sesame seed bun, I'm going to layer mine with 3 original glazed donuts. In between them, got some pickled fennel, just a little bit of fennel, a little bit of salt, and a tiny bit of red onion. Some good old butter lettuce, kind of a burger without tomato and avo. Take a bit of olive oil, chuck it straight on. Bind your mince just with salt, no breadcrumbs, no egg or anything like that in there. Just cook them up in a pan, nice and crispy. Bacon, nice and crispy as well. That should snap. 1 leaf. You want that leaf to almost cup the ingredients. 2 slices of avocado. You could go with a guacamole or anything if you wanted to. You could just go straight up ketchup and mustard if you really felt like it. Fennel, really nice sort of aniseed flavour. Just make sure you shave it as fine as possible. Always cook with twice as much bacon as you need, and then just keep on layering. Top this bad boy like that. And that was the ultimate burger. The ultimate heart attack in a bun.